Okay, now folks, I have reached बूढ़ी मामा स्थान. I have reached बूढ़ी. कौन मेन मंदिर कौन है? This is बूढ़ी मामा स्थान. It is on the banks of the Ganges, as I showed you. Folks, see, it is a beautiful temple, and they have made it into a Durga Ji temple. बूढ़ी मामा के हल्किन? हल्किन के? बूढ़ी मामा हल्किन के? हाँ? ओए पार में?
पंडित जी के.
अच्छा. See, this is what you call it. ये मधुरापुरी के ना?
वाड़ी टोला.
हाँ?
वाड़ी टोला.
This is हाँ बूढ़ी मामा के हल्की. I'm asking this lady who is बूढ़ी मामा. मर गेलखिन देवता में जन्म लेलखिन. हाँ हाँ. She just says that she died here. यहीं पर मरलखिन.
ना भए गेलन बहुत दिन.
नहीं लेकिन यहीं पर स्थान यही है.
हाँ.
अच्छा. She says that बूढ़ी मामा died here. So this is where the place where Prajapati Gautami died, folks. And see, let me explain it to you. This is Vaishali, and this is Madhurapur. Madhurapur is Madhurapur is what do you call it? Amrapali's home. This was the residence. And ये कौन गाछ है? पाकड़ के? पीपर के नहीं है? हाँ. तो what do you call it? Prajapati Gautami, she resided in Amrapali's home. So this is Madhurapur, Amrapali's home. Now, what do you call it? You must understand our Bihari culture to understand this story and to understand this place's importance. What do you call it? The Buddha was 84 years old and Prajapati Gautami was 120 years old. So the Buddha, he was the grandfather. That is why they call Baba everywhere. What do you call it? Grandfather, sort of this area of Vaishali. And automatically his mother becomes the great grandmother. That is Mama Mai. Folks, this is Mama Mai's temple, the place where what do you call it? Prajapati Gautami attained parinirvana. She resided up here in Amrapali's home, that is Madhurapur up here, and she went to the Buddha and she asked permission. And I think the Buddha was staying in Ghatkindi that time. And what do you call it? She asked him permission, and what do you call it? The Buddha gave her permission to attain parinirvana because she had grown 120 years old. And she bowed and paid obeisance to the Buddha and came back. But there were a lot of people who did not believe that a female could become a monk. She wouldn't get the powers of a monk. So to remove that suspicion, the Buddha called her, that is in Ghatkindi, which is just around half a kilometer away, and requested her to show her prowess, at which she obeyed, and she jumped up thrice into the air and came down again. And at which she proved that her powers were extraordinary, and then she came. Folks, this is the place, the holy place where Mahaprajapati Gautami attained parinirvana. She is Mama Mai. Now, this is Indian Buddhism for you. Mama Mai ki jai ho. Come on everyone, speak with me. Mama Mai ki jai ho. This भीतर में कुछ मूर्ति उड़ती भी हन. हाँ? हाँ बूढ़ी मामा के मूर्ति है हाँ they are going to open it and there is a what do you call it there is a statue of Budhi Mama. See these children, God bless them. यहाँ के so folks, I am inside Budhi Mama's Sthan and see there are no statues, no photos of gods and goddesses. Those pindis represent Budhi Mama. Folks, this is the place where she attained Mahaparinirvana. This is the place where Mahaprajapati Gautami, the world's first nun, attained Mahaparinirvana. Folks, this is the unique place where she attained Parinirvana. You all call her Prajapati Gautami. Up here she is Budhi Mama. Budhi Mama means great grandmother. She was the great grandmother of this area. So folks, here I am. Budhi Mama ki jai ho. Come on with me. Say it. Budhi Mama ki jai ho. Feast your eyes on the spot where Prajapati Gautami, the Buddha's mother, attained Parinirvana. What a beautiful sight, folks. What a beautiful sight. Budhi Mama ki jai ho. It is a unique story of Budhi Mama, and I am telling this story to them, and thanks to the Buddhists who preserved this story for us. She was King Sudhodana's wife. After his death, she decided to become a female monk, and she thrice, when the Buddha went to settle a dispute between the Koliyas and Sakyas, thrice she went to thrice she went to and requested the Buddha to be ordained, and he refused. So when the Buddha came here to Pidholi, which has been mispronounced and mistranslated as Vaishali, she came with 500 females. They all had cut off their hair and donned saffron robes. And she came with 500 females, and they, in Takia, in Budhivan, she requested the Buddha again he refused, and she was crying when this Anand saw her. And then Anand goes and he has a discourse with the Buddha, and the Buddha accepts, as long as she accepted the 8 extra rules put up for women. And she accepted those 8 rules and was ordained with the 500 other monks, ladies. And when she, this is a beautiful story, the Lichvis got together, the Digvai Brahmins, they got together and they made her Sangrama, that is, your Navtolia. Navtolia is the first nunnery the world ever saw, folks. And 500, it seems, the 500 nuns stayed there. And she stayed with Amrapali up here in Madhurapur. She stayed with Amrapali up here in Madhurapur. And वो किनखर मंदिर है?
भोला बाबा.
हाँ, she stayed with Amrapali here in Madhurapur. And finally, when she was 120 years old, she ordained a lot of monks, females, into monks. And she, helped them to follow the Buddha's rules. And finally, at 120 years old, she, felt that time had come. She went I think the Buddha was just close here, close by here. The place's name today is Ghatkindi. She went and requested him, and he gave her permission, and then she came here. But some people, they said that females cannot be monks. They cannot get the powers of a monk. So to prove them wrong, the Buddha calls her over, and she goes to Ghatkindi, and he tells her, requests her to show her prowess. So she thrice she jumps up in the air and comes down. That's what Ghatkindi means. Ghat means super powerful with powers. So what do you call it? And she comes down, and then she proves her prowess, and then she comes here just half a kilometer away, and this is the place where that lovely lady attained parinirvana. Folks, Mama Mai ki jai ho. Mama Mai ki jai ho. You all can say Prajapati Gautami ki jai ho. But the name is, up here she is known as Mama Mai. See, everywhere these people went, they were known according to their deeds or their what they taught. So this is where she attained. She was the great grandmother. See, all the women, the people who lived with Prajapati, with Amrapali here, she was the great grandmother for them. That is why this temple is known as Mama Mai, and it is a very well-known temple. From around 10 kilometers away, people were directing me here. That means people knew about this temple 10 kilometers away, folks. So these were important people. So folks, that was your Mahaprajapati Gautami's reality. Folks, this is the holy place. Now they have marbled it up. But this is the holy place where she attained Mahapari Nirvana. Here. Folks, thanks Zhang Zhang. He helped me understand this story. Now, folks, I would like to clear out something. I want to clear out something. This is not the actual place, because basically Madhurapur and the Parinirvana Stupas, the spot, was on the other side of the Ganges, and it was washed away 40 years ago. And the villagers of Madhurapur, that is Amrapali's home, that his most probably her descendants, they relocated here, and with them they brought their local deity, that is the Parinirvana spot of great grandmother, that is Mahaprajapati Gautami. They brought it over here and relocated here and made this beautiful marble temple to her Mahaparinirvana. And it's in Hindi, it's called Samadhi. In Hindi, it's called Samadhi. So I would like to correct myself. When I gave that video, I did not know all this. This is later knowledge. So folks, forgive me for telling you all, but this is dedicated to Mahaprajapati Gautami's Mahaparinirvana. What you see in front of you is her Samadhi. It is regarded that she died here, but the actual spot is on the other side of the Ganges, around 2.5 kilometers north of here. And that spot can be reclaimed because it is now sand. Buddhists can, take the old survey maps of this area and reclaim that spot and remake the stupa. So folks, this is your Mahaprajapati Gautami's Mahaparinirvana spot relocated. So Budhi Mama ki jai, folks. Budhi Mama, come on, do this with me. Budhi Mama ki jai.